Honda has just released a few teaser images of its upcoming 2023 Accord midsize sedan, a car we've been eagerly awaiting for a while now. And while details are still angel-hair-noodle thin, there are already a few surprises. Perhaps there will be more when the sedan is fully revealed next month. The first surprise is the Accord's grille-ish maw. When we rendered the 2023 Accord back in February, we leaned heavily on the design cues introduced on the new Civic, particularly its half-sized grille, and the extended hoodline that swept down past the headlights. Instead, the bold, wide hexagonal grille on the production 2023 looks more like a slimmed-down 2023 Honda CR-V grille than it does the Civic. Perhaps the CR-V is more indicative of the future direction of Honda styling overall than the Civic was, with larger, more prominent grilles that bleed into the headlights rather than the smaller, slimmer one used in the Civic. And it's a stark departure from the single-frame S treatment on the current car. The second surprise is what's happening at the rear, an extended, full-width taillight treatment with a sort of retrofuturistic series of distinct elements. It doesn't quite look like anything else in the lineup, and it certainly doesn't resemble the Civic's relatively conventional, and separated, tail lamps. The angular boomerang shape of the current lamps is gone, and, arguably, instantly looks dated compared to the new tail lamps. Finally, the company hints at, unspecified, improvements to the hybrid powertrain. We're going to assume that more responsive and fun to drive is code for more powerful and sportier, and to the interior amenities. A larger touchscreen, 12.3 inches, and looking quite different from the unit in the new CR-V, is claimed to be Honda's largest, and the car will feature Google integration for better connected features. You can see the Play Store and Google's voice assistant displayed on the infotainment screen. There is, thankfully, still a physical knob to control audio on/off and volume control. The horizontal mesh strip seen in other Honda products peeks out at the bottom of the image. Boylesien Civic Beer Teaser Ichin, 2023 en les maisons bu ilk bakes bis unseren Dusunesek Chalk Saverier.